Biscoff Cheesecake Balls recipe. If you're a fan of Biscoff biscuits, this no-bake dessert is going to be your new favorite treat. These Biscoff Cheesecake Balls are creamy, crunchy, and coated in silky white chocolate with a drizzle of Biscoff spread on top. Perfect for parties, holiday platters, or when you just want a sweet bite-sized indulgence. Ingredients for the Biscoff Balls: 200 g Biscoff biscuits, 2 tablespoons cream cheese, 2 tablespoons Biscoff spread. For the coating, 200 g white chocolate, 1½ tablespoons Biscoff spread. Method: crush the biscuits. Place Biscoff biscuits in a bowl and crush them finely. You can also use a blender or food processor for a smoother texture. Mix into a dough. Add the cream cheese and Biscoff spread to the crushed biscuits. Mix well until everything comes together into a dough-like texture. Shape into balls. Roll the mixture into small balls, bite-sized, and place them on a tray. Freeze for about 20 to 30 minutes or until firm. Prepare the coating. In a microwave-safe bowl, add the white chocolate and Biscoff spread. Microwave for 30 seconds. Stir, then repeat in 30-second bursts until melted and smooth. Coat the cheesecake balls. Dip each frozen ball into the melted chocolate, making sure it's fully coated. Place them back on the tray. Set and decorate. Freeze for 10 minutes until the chocolate sets. Drizzle extra melted chocolate on top and sprinkle with crushed biscuits for the perfect finishing touch. Tips and variations. Use milk or dark chocolate instead of white if you prefer. For extra crunch, add some crushed Biscoff inside the mixture. Store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days.